the end of the fourth round, Bishop Herman College has 25 points. St. Francis Xavier Junior Seminary has 28 points. Kumasi High School has 53 points. Fifth and final round. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. I am a single chain polypeptide hormone. In birds, fishes, and other non-mammalian vertebrates, I am secreted by cells of the glandular ultimobranchial bodies. In humans and other mammals, I am secreted primarily by parafollicular cells, C cells, in the thyroid gland. I am degraded by the liver and kidney to inactive fragments. My overall effect is to lower the concentration of calcium. Yes, Lord.
Calcitonin. Calcitonin.
Yes. I was reading the fifth clue, 3 points. Next. I am an organic compound commonly used as a solvent in nail polish removers. Indeed, I give the characteristic smell of nail polish removers. I am also used in paints, glues, lacquers, varnishes, and perfumes. I am the most common ester. Yes, Collins.
Ethyl butanoate.
That's incorrect. Does someone else ring? No. I am the most common ester in wines. I am formed from the reaction between ethanoic. Yes, Ebenezer?
Methyl ethanoate.
Pardon?
Methyl ethanoate.
That's incorrect. So I continue. I am formed from the reaction between ethanoic acid and ethanol. So who am I? Yes. Elias.
Ethyl ethanoate.
Yes. I read all the clues, 3 points. Next one. I am a point. I share part of my name with a unique feature of a circle. I am an average of sorts. Specifically, I am the mass-weighted average of the position vectors of particles in a collection. I am the point associated with a collection of objects at which the net force acting on the objects is assumed.
Neutral point.
Yes, Collins.
Neutral point.
No. There's someone else. You rang? You did. Go ahead.
Mean point. Mean point.
No. Did you ring? Okay, so I continue for you. On the objects is assumed to act. So who am I? Yes, Ebenezer?
Center of mass.
You are right. Last one. Last one. I am a function I am a limit of a difference quotient. I am a derived function. I represent a slope or a gradient of a curve. For sine of x, I am cosine of x. Yes. Go ahead. Collins.
Gradient function.
No. Did someone else ring? Okay, go ahead.
Differential function.
No. Or you rang. Okay. And for cosine of x, I am negative sine of x. I am a rate of change. So who am I? Ebenezer?
Differential function.
Ah. The people making the noise, please answer it. How? Based on the clues here, I am a derivative. And that's the end of the 5th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Bishop Herman College has 25 points. St. Francis Xavier Junior Seminary has 31 points. Kumasi High School has 59 points.